What's going on, guys? This is Will from your DIY home ironing business. So, as you can see, there's still work. I have small orders, big orders, other ones coming in. This is something that if you're in to the clothing business can make you money. I think I'm gonna do a short video, and then after this one, I'm gonna probably add something in as words of wisdom somehow to help someone. Because just because you think you know everything, that's cool, but you could give that information away and help somebody out greatly. Because that's one thing people just don't have is they just don't have the information for to start a business or do a business, especially when you have the experience. But I want to show you a new piece that I added to my arsenal of my DIY at home. So the other day I saw this one on a Facebook marketplace. There it is, the Magic Chef Compact Apartment Dryer. I just bought the indoor thing. So if you don't know about these, you can use these is an indoor apartment filter thing for your lint, and also it'll help keep your apartment dry. Those run about $15. I get them at the hardware store. But the Magic Chef, look at that compact dryer. Oh, this thing is cool. It's just something I wanted to be able to do socks and underwears in. Look at that. Ah, beautiful. Just something I wanted because I do laundry, and because I do laundry, it comes in handy. It is one of those things that I've been looking for years. I've always wanted the Magic Chef little dryer, like for my rags and socks and underwear and stuff. Because sometimes I don't like using my dryers. It'll be an add-on. It comes in handy, and it's like Marketplace, man. Let me tell you something about Marketplace. You looking for something, you gonna find it. So I think just wanted to kind of do a little short update on it. I'll probably do another part of video of this so I can make it long enough for YouTube. But for now, I added something new to my arsenal, and man, does it work. I love finding stuff for my business. See, when you get to a certain point in your life, you find equipment instead of spending money. You buy something that can make you money. All right, guys, I'm out. All right, what's going on, guys? This is Will from your home ironing business. Wanted to kind of talk about something. I really haven't been doing videos, but what I have been doing is kind of string along videos when I have an idea for something that I actually go out and just kind of talk about it and keep it from there. So today I want to talk about an item that I got my hands on finally. Let me close it up here. Show you a picture of that. Your lint and peel remover. Now, let me tell you something. This thing here will save your behind when it comes to sweaters and jogging outfits and all the other outfits you have that have those little beads on them. This is right here is king. Now, I have another one, and let me see if I can find it. Hold on. I don't know where the other one is. I have another one that is really horrible. It's a small one about that big that takes batteries, and it never works good. It just works. It was good for what it's worth. I don't even know where I put it. But this one here, I got on consignment from my boss. Like, he just gave it to me cheap. Actually, he gave me this one and bought a new one. I was looking for one like this to order offline because you need one with a plug. Why? Because if you have a huge sweater to do, let me tell you, man, it's going to take forever to get those little beads off. And as you can see, I actually been using this one, and I'm going to clean it out. This is off of a jacket I just did. All that lint. Looks like hair. All that lint. And then usually I just clean it out afterwards. And it works good. This thing is worth its weight in gold. I get a lot of people with jogging outfits that have the beads and the little peels and stuff. We call them lint peels. They be all around the sweaters and the underarms and the back part. And this is what I use this thing for. If you can get your hands on one of these, like I said, get you one with a cord. Because the one with the cord will work so well. Also, I talked about this before. Find yourself a good brush. A good brush, man, let me tell you something. This right here is a brush that's used for vinyl. Because you can see it has the smooth thing on it. The brush to get all the lint off. But I use this one actually for, clothes. When I have coats, especially what coats I use the most? Oh, on pea coats, the black ones. This thing is gold. I'll set the jacket down and I'll do the sleeves and then I'll run this thing. So again, I give information out as I go because I hope it helps someone, in this new time. And as I was saying, I like to show equipment and things that I get that, to use. Now, I had a subscriber or a person comment that, I had a lot of equipment and it's like it's cluttered. Well, it kind of stays cluttered in here because when I work, it always cluttered. But then eventually I will put everything back in its place. Now, me and all that equipment, let me tell you something. I'm at that age now where I was understanding at a certain age when I was younger that, equipment is what you need. And I have equipment for a lot of stuff. Now, I just don't do clothes. I have a hat machine. I have a computer. I have sealers. I have so much stuff. Carpet machines. I have cleaners. I have cordless sprayers. I have so much equipment because what I understood was if you can't make a lot of money with one business, you can make a lot of money with multiple businesses. And it's weird because like in the summer, I don't detail, like this is my first summer I passed, I detail cars, period, but I don't detail them in the winter no more. I only detail them in the summer. Now, let me explain something. Without equipment, I can't make half the stuff I'm making. Sorry, I'm shaking this thing up. I can't even make the money I'm making without all the equipment. I'm sorry if it feels cluttered, but to me, it's not cluttered. A lot of that stuff is very usable. When I have something that can make its own money each time, I use it. Now, there's going to come a time I'm literally thinking about opening up a brick and mortar. I know people don't know what that is. Just opening a shop up, taking all this equipment in, selling the business for a decent down payment and have someone pay me off for like 2 years. That's probably what's going to happen. And I mean, I may try to beat next winter. I'm always trying to beat these certain times, but I think I'm going to beat next winter and I'm going to sell it all. I'm going to find somebody who wants to, run a business. And then I'm going to tell them like, hey, it's this much money down. You take 2 years to pay me off and I'm going to make it real affordable so somebody can just have it and keep it moving. But everything else, like my vinyl business I always have, my hat business I always have, cleaning carpets I'll always have, and my detail business. But the laundry business is something to carry me through the winters, and who knows, I may do it until I just can't do it. But for right now, I hope that helps someone. Like I said, I just been stringing videos along. I hope you've you out there making money. I take any replies. I take comments. I don't get mad. I just be like I'll explain why I have it. But I do like that people watch the videos, and I hope it really helps someone because we're in that time where you don't know what's going to happen, where it's going. But one thing is for sure, everybody wear clothes. And a lot of people don't like going to the laundromat no more. So I got a couple more laundry clients. I think all you need to me is about 10. If you have 10 laundry clients that come in and they come in and you can gauge when they come in, it'll take care of you. Because my pressing and ironing and dry cleaning, that takes care of it too. So again, I'll probably do more. I think I might do one of my job one day just to show you where I work at and how I work and what I do. Just kind of put the video up and show you because I still work a few days a week. But when I don't be at work, like this freaking snow house doing now, I got work at home. All right, guys, you know my motto. Adjust your hustle, bet on you, get out there and make some money. Later, guys.